Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you guys are all doing good. First of all, I want to let you guys know that Saturday at 8 p.m. is when we're going to do that tarot card reading, and she does the pendulum and some other reading type stuff. I'm not that familiar with that kind of stuff, but it sounds neat. She's going to do a couple different readings, and she had already done the tarot cards on Ty Lee, so she's going to share what came up with Ty Lee, and then she's going to do one on Lori, and also she's going to give somebody a free 15-minute reading. Okay, so the winner of that 15-minute free reading, I did a drawing in my little my little Paris globe thing that I have that I do my drawings. I put in the names and I picked. Sorry I didn't do it on a video. I just thought I'd let you guys know now so you guys could get prepared, or so you could get prepared. But K-Clo won. So let me know if it's something that you could do, because you'll have to come on as a guest, like on the video, so she could do a reading. So if you're not able to do that, well, just let me know if you're able to actually come on the video so she could do a reading for you. So hopefully you will be able to. If it's not something you're interested in, then let me know and we could pick somebody else. But hopefully you will be, because I know you're always so much fun to have in live. So K-Clo, let me know if it's something that you would be able to do Saturday. Come on so she could give you that free reading. And she's also going to do one on Lori Vallow. So it'll be interesting. It'll be fun. Her name's Magical Meg, so I think it'll be a good time. But I just read this article I have to let you guys know about. It's kind of making me nervous because, well, let me just read it to you here. The title of this article it's about Lori Vallow, okay? It's an article from Fox 13. And the title is, Jail in Rexburg admits to accidentally recording conversation between mother of missing children and her attorney, which was supposed to be confidential. So let me just read you this article. Oh my gosh, I just hope she doesn't use this and somehow get out of all this trouble. Okay, so let me read you. It says the Madison County Jail in Rexburg, Idaho admits the facility accidentally recorded a private conversation between Lori Vallow Daybell and her defense attorney, Mark Means, violating her statutory right to privacy. According to a court document filed by Madison County prosecuting attorney Rob Wood, the mistake took place because of the new COVID-19 policies at the jail. The jail promptly deleted the recording of that conversation and has placed a block on all recordings in the current attorney-client visiting area to preclude any other accidental recordings, Wood wrote. Deputy Isaac Payne, a spokesperson for the jail, did not provide an explanation into how the recording was made, only stating that the case is under investigation. No matter how you feel about Lori Vallow, plus the criminal charges involving her missing kids, she has the right to have a private conversation with her defense attorney. The Madison County Jail in Rexburg now admits they accidentally recorded one of those conversations. Means is now asking for his client's bond to be reduced. It is currently set at $1 million. I think there's reason to be suspect about the conduct of the jail in this case, said Greg Skortis, defense attorney and former prosecutor not involved in this case. It's currently not grounds to have the case thrown out or anything like that, but it could give the attorney some basis to claim that holding her in jail just isn't working out. Even if the recorded conversation included specific details about the location of Vallow Daybell's two minor children, who have been missing now for more than half a year, police would not be allowed to use that information because it was not legally obtained. Any evidence tracing back to the recorded conversation would likely be deemed inadmissible. It's upsetting that it happens in such a high-profile case when there's so much at stake, Skortis said. Payne said the recorded conversation took place in a Madison County jail visitation room in which Vallow, I don't know why it's Vallow, what she had, now she's going by a hyphenated last name, Vallow-Daybell. I'm just going to say Vallow because I don't want you guys to think I'm meaning that Lori and Chad were there. It was just Lori. So Payne said the recorded conversation took place in a Madison County jail visitation room in which Vallow and Means were separated by a telephone line and glass barrier. Attorney-client visitation rooms at the Davis County Jail in Utah are very similar. Liz Solis, a spokesperson for the Davis County Sheriff's Office, said phones in the jail's attorney-client visitation rooms are not connected to recording devices. The rooms now go through extra sanitation procedures due to the COVID-19. Solis said the jail has not received any privacy complaints from attorneys. We are all about respecting the rights of the individuals who are in our care and custody, Solis said. If they're having an attorney-client visit, then the conversation is not recorded. It is unclear whether Magistrate Judge Michelle Mallard will allow a hearing to discuss the potential bond reduction. If so, it would be the fourth time Vallow and her attorneys asked for a reduction in bond since her arrest in Hawaii. Man, I hope this doesn't screw up anything. I hope it doesn't make it so she gets out of jail while she's waiting for trial, because I don't trust her out of jail. She'll either take her own life or she will take off. I'm telling you. They better have her under close supervision if she gets to leave because of this. Like the one lawyer said, I mean, it's not like the case will be dropped. Let's pray. I mean, it really is probably unlikely that they'll drop the case, but they might let her out or lower her bond because of it. And I just don't think it's a good idea if she gets out of jail, because I just think she's too unstable. Like, I just don't think she will make it back for her trial, whether she takes her own life or she leaves somehow. I know they'll be watching her, but I don't know, I just feel like she'll figure out something. So let's just pray that her lawyer's going to try. You know, they're going to try to use it for this bond reduction too. Shoot. They might be so nervous. I mean, they might get some kind of benefit from it. But I don't understand, because of the COVID-19, how does it get recorded just because of that? What does that have to do with it getting recorded? That doesn't make sense to me. They said because of the COVID-19 policies or whatever, somehow that was the reason that it accidentally got recorded, and how they sanitize it every so often. But what does that have to do with recording it? I don't understand how the two go together. How are they even saying it? That's the reason it accidentally got recorded. It makes no sense to me. But I don't know, guys. I just had to share that with you. I just saw that. I was like, oh my gosh. I know I already put a video out today, but I just saw that. And I was like, shoot, I have to get this out. You guys got to know about this. The ones that have been following this case, when I read it, I was just like, no, no, no. Why? Okay, guys. Well, I hope you guys are all having a good night. And sorry about the live last night. It was kind of crazy. I don't know what happened. Well, I don't know if it's kind of late right now. So by the time I edit this and put it out, it might be actually tomorrow, hopefully, because sometimes my internet has been going so slow. So either sorry for the live last night or 2 nights ago. Whenever this goes up, this might not come up to the next day. So, but the live where they just cut off, sorry about that. I don't know what happened. It just cut off. It was crazy. So, but yeah, so Saturday, guys, 8 o'clock, if you want to see Magical Meg and her reading. Like I said, come with some questions about Lori, and like I said, she's gonna do a tarot card, and she said something about a pendulum, and I'm not sure what else, but it'll be interesting. I think it'll be really interesting. All right, guys. Well, that's all that I have for you today. I hope you guys are all doing well, and yeah, we will chat Saturday, 8 p.m. with Magical Meg. Oh, let me know what you guys think about this new Lori stuff. Oh my gosh, it's making me nervous. And if there's any lawyers out there, let me know your input on what this can mean. All right, bye guys.